Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable emails on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening X on your PC. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on More to expand the Settings and Support drop-down menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the options displayed. Choose Sys Notifications from the menu, then click on Preferences in the right pane. Lock it and click on Email Notifications to access the email notification settings. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on email notifications, allowing you to receive important updates and notifications from X, Twitter, directly to your email inbox. By following these steps, you can customize your notification preferences and stay informed about activities on X, Twitter, via email. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to enable email notifications on X, Twitter on PC. Enjoy staying connected and up to date with the latest updates from the platform.